You get this utility bill every month, but what does it all mean? Let's break it down together. Your Red Oak utility bill has a few main parts: your name and service address, top left; the account summary and list of monthly charges, top right and center; current and previous water meter readings, left center; important information and service updates, middle; and a payment summary you can tear off and return if paying by check, bottom. Your account number is listed at the very top of the bill. You'll need this number if you pay online, by phone, or when calling for customer service. Your due date is always the 15th of the following month. If payment is not made by then, you may be subject to late fees and ultimately water shut off. Your amount due is made up of several different charges. Let's take a closer look at what each one means. The water charge is for all water used at your home. That means everything from taking a shower and washing dishes to watering your lawn or filling a pool. Most Red Oak homes have smart meters with leak alarms. With these, you can use My Water Advisor, a free online tool, to track usage and catch leaks early. The sewer charge is based on how much water you use. Red Oak does not run its own water treatment plants. Instead, our system connects to the Dallas Trinity River Authority. They set their own rates based on their costs. These costs are passed on to Red Oak and then to you. Your total sewer charge includes their rate plus a city fee that helps run Red Oak's 5 lift stations and pay for future system upgrades. Winter averaging can also affect your sewer rate. Check out our other explainer video to learn more. Refuse is your trash and recycling service. This is a charge that comes directly from our contracted trash and recycling provider, Community Waste Disposal. The stormwater charge is a set fee that helps take care of the drains and pipes that carry rainwater away from your home and streets. Your bill also includes a required sales tax and an optional park donation that you can choose to add to support our Red Oak public parks. When reviewing your current and previous monthly usage, make sure to keep an eye out for a spike. A sudden increase could mean a leak. Most homes have alarms that alert you if water runs for more than 36 hours. If no alarm goes off, the spike may be from your sprinkler or irrigation system. In the middle of the bill is where you will find important information on city services details about rate changes and annual service reminders. If you live inside the city limits but get your water from Rockett, your monthly bill may look a little different. Rockett sets the charges for your water usage, while the city of Red Oak still handles sewer, stormwater, and trash. If you have questions about your Rockett water bill, visit rockettwater.com. We know understanding your utility bill can feel a little confusing, but we're always here to help. If you have any questions or need help with your bill, contact our utility billing team.